All right. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I wanted to do a quick review of the Rexing S1 dash cam that we just got. It's an awesome dash cam. This is the installed camera. I know with the light being the way it is, it's kind of hard to see it, but we bought this off of Amazon. I think we paid $213 and some change for it. It's got a front camera facing out, a front camera facing in, so a driver facing camera, and then in the back you can see that there's a little camera back there. That's the rear facing camera. It's a really nice dash cam. Now it cost me about $150 to have this hardwired. I didn't want to have it plugged in to the 12-volt cigarette lighter thing down here, you know, just because having the wires is kind of cumbersome. But and for us, it's worth it to have it hardwired. It turns on automatically when you crank the car. This dash cam has a parking monitor, so that, you know, if someone is messing with your car in the middle of the night or something, it'll turn on and it'll automatically record. One of the cool things about this camera, though, is that it has an app. Pull up your app on the phone. It has an app that lets you look at the video that is taking live. Let me see. Let me hold your phone here. Okay. So this is on the iPhone. The app's called tapq on the iPhone. On an Android, it's called TM Cam. But you can see the live video feed. Now this is our rear facing camera. So you see we've got a white car that's coming up behind us, and there it is right there. There's the white car. Now you'll see I'm going to switch camera views here by pressing this button here. So I switched camera views, and now you can see the front camera. You see the van there, and there it is in real time. There's, you know, whatever that is. So that's really, really cool. And then here's the neat thing here also is this is the inside facing camera. So you can see us all. Yeah, that's my daughter, my wife, and there's me. And look, if I point the phone up here, you can kind of see, well, anyway, I don't want to cause a rip in the space-time continuum by trying to do that. But anyway, really cool dash cam. I really like it. I highly recommend it, and it's a great camera. It's easy to work. One thing that I will say, connecting to the app was a little bit tricky, but once I figured out what to do, and what I had to do is I had to manually connect it. Just trying to find it on the Wi-Fi. It found it, but it wouldn't connect. So what I did instead is I added a network, and then entered the name of the camera, you know, the SSID and all that, and then that was able to allow me to connect, and now it's working flawlessly. But anyway, great little dash cam. Adds a lot of security. We've got a 64 gigabyte card in there. It records great quality video. And thanks for watching.